Okay guys, so I'm using the GoPro. That's why it might look a little weird with the lighting. I'm doing a retwist. This is probably the sixth one because I think like the fourth or fifth one was messed up. I just wanted to go over a few things. I dyed my hair, so as you can see, there's burgundy up until, let's see, right here, and then there's the where I started the palm rolling. Where it's dark, and then there's the new growth. And so one thing that I was reviewing when I was retightening, I was wondering if this indeed, the new growth was like my hair unraveling, but then I took a closer look and it is still indeed twisted right here. So this is where the palm rolling starts, and then down here is new growth. And one thing I noticed was a hole I saw in one of my locks. And so one thing about holes is pretty much how you see my skin through the lock right there. You want to make sure that that's not in the middle of your lock, because that will ultimately be a lock that pops off. It becomes weak and pops off. So I have been more attentive this go round. I am trying something different. I am going to dry my hair and take these out tomorrow, as opposed to wearing a protective style for days and days and days, and see how that works, because I want to be able to retwist my hair and just go after it's dry like everybody else. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. Thank y'all for y'all patience, because YouTube is not playing. It gives me absolutely the worst time trying to upload something, but I just wanted to check in with you guys. I still love it. It's still easy, as you can see. I'm pretty much done with the front, so now I'm heading into the back. The back is easier because I'm not so focused on the parts. But yeah, it's growing. I've always been a little short haired baby, and so this is definitely different for my hair to be this long, coming from this long.